What's up everyone? Welcome back to Top Finance. It's always good to start earning from a young age. You don't have to make a lot of money right away from the beginning, and you can always start with whatever you can lay your hands upon. We have made a list of things that you can always opt for if you're a teenager. Most of these are super easy to find and perform, don't require a ton of skills, and you can easily get these done without having to invest a lot of time too. And they really do pay well. In today's video, we'll be discussing about top 10 ways to make money as a teenager. Make sure you stay into number 1, as any of these methods might work for you. Number 10, get a part-time job. Getting a part-time job means you actually go out and apply for jobs in retail, food, or other services. This takes a lot of time and effort, so it may not be for you. But if you really need a monthly earning, this is a big option to consider. Sometimes cash that comes in fast just isn't enough to cover basic expenses. There is never an easy way out when it comes to earning. This is why many parents want their kids to apply for real jobs. Just set up a resume and find some openings. You should be able to land something quick enough. You can narrow down the type of work you want to do so it's semi-flexible. Maybe you're open to everything except waiting tables. Or maybe you want to just work in retail. Job openings are everywhere, and a quick search on the web will get you there quick. Number 9, make an Etsy store. Do you see yourself as creative? Maybe you do arts and crafts. If this is the case, you should consider selling your crafts on Artsy. Etsy is an online shop where creators come together to sell handmade and DIY items. These items range anywhere from stickers to birdhouse to t-shirts and more. Get creative! You really don't have to be highly talented and artsy to start. Just learn how to print stickers or design t-shirts and you should be good to go. You can always hone your skill and update your shop later. The flexibility of what you sell is the best part. This is your shop and you have complete freedom. Etsy will take a portion of your sales, but don't worry, you can sell a lot if you advertise yourself well enough. This one does take a bit more time and effort, but it is definitely worth it. Start your own shop today and watch as the orders come rolling in. Number 8, dog walking. Dog walking has always been a popular job. There is a reason this side hustle is timeless. It's easy and lucrative. And depending on you, it can even be enjoyable. Plenty of people look for dog walkers. There are even websites with ads looking for them. Jump on the bandwagon and try it out. To boost your earning, maybe consider adding other offers. Maybe you will walk pets that aren't dogs. You can also try selling animal baths and grooming if you have that skill. Pet sitting is one up from just dog walking. There are many possibilities to consider to boost your earnings. Try it out if you're a pet lover. There's nothing to lose and you may end up enjoying what you do. There are plenty of dog walking jobs out there and people usually need these consistently, so check out this job and see how fast you can earn. Number 7, wash cars. Maybe jobs that require physical labour are more for you. People are consistently needing to wash their cars. It is almost a necessity. You can absolutely take advantage of this and make money by washing cars. It is hard work, but that means you can earn a lot of cash with just a few cars. Washing cars is a great job to have. You can learn more about the importance of hard work while earning. It isn't difficult to wash a car, but it can be time consuming, so take note of that. You can also charge for different types of services. You can charge extra for vacuuming, or if you're fancy, a quick wax. The possibilities are endless. You'll need to advertise your service in order to really start selling. It helps if you can advertise to off-roaders or people who drive a lot. Maybe it rained recently and people want to wash some mud off their car. You can charge them for that service. Car washing is a classic teenager job that still works today, so get on it. Number 6, rent out your stuff. Have your friends ever borrowed your stuff? Maybe they asked to borrow your video games or possibly a book or two. Does it happen often? Well, why not start charging them for it? That's right, just like you may rent a movie at a rental place, you can charge people to borrow your stuff. Some people will want to rent out physical media such as video games and books. But the products don't stop there. Get creative and you may decide to rent out clothes or even your bike. You can set the price to whatever you need it to be, then advertise to your friends and neighbours. This may take up a bit of your time, but it's easy to get the hang of it. Just figure out what your prices will need to be, then figure out how you'll get the word out. Also, try to think of renting out items that are in demand. Maybe your class has a book report due soon. If you have that book, it will definitely come in handy. Number 5, do yard work. Much like car washing, yard work will take a lot of time and effort. But again, this is a great job. This job has actually been great for many teenagers. You can earn a lot. You can choose the type of yard work you do based off your skills and liking. Many people are looking for yard workers, so help them out and start earning. Yard work has many aspects, from raking up leaves to full-on landscaping. The options are flexible. Just make sure you know how to do these properly and you'll be set to work. It may help to offer multiple services so you can widen your target market and also become local competition. This will help you earn bigger. A great thing to think about with this is the season. If it is spring, people want to grow flowers and make a flower bed. In summer, maybe water their yard. Fall means raking up leaves, and winter is shoveling snow. Offer all of these and you've got work all year round. Number 4, start a YouTube channel. Oh, YouTube. This one is a popular career that many try to obtain. YouTube is full of stars that wish to monetize big. The key to earning on YouTube is to create content that's enjoyable without the main goal to earn. This is a difficult job, but it can be highly lucrative. With YouTube, you have options. You first need a couple of thousand views and subscribers. Then you may be able to monetize your content. Watch out for the rules though, because YouTube can be strict on who gets monetized. You can get paid to run ads on your videos. You can also gather sponsorship deals. This is when companies come to you and get you to advertise their products. This is usually less strict than YouTube's monetization, so try considering this. So, if you put in some time and effort, you can become a successful YouTuber. With this, you can earn a lot. From a couple hundred to maybe even thousands of dollars. Work to get there, but understand that it is not the easiest way for a teenager to make money. Number 3, take online surveys. The internet is a great place to start earning. Nowadays, teenagers flock to the web to search for jobs. Remote jobs and gigs allow many people to earn cash fast and easy. Some of these are more lucrative than others though. One popular method of earning quick cash is taking online surveys. Many people do it when they're strapped for cash and it actually can pay out quite well. Companies use online surveys in order to figure out how to market and sell their products. Thankfully, they will pay people in order to obtain this information. This is where you come in. You can set aside however much time you have available and finish as many surveys as you'd like. You'll get paid for each one, and the price varies from survey to survey. It is a simple enough endeavour that will have you earning in no time. The earnings may not be big at first, but they definitely add up. It's easy to fill out these surveys, just answer a few questions, and if you want quick cash, this is for you. Number 2, get paid to search the web and play games. There are plenty of websites out there that claim to offer money in exchange for very small tasks. Swagbucks is one of them. This is a reputable site that many teenagers try out for some quick cash. The earnings aren't huge, but they do pile up, and it's not hard to do at all. Swagbucks will pay you to do things such as search the web, play games, and watch videos. This is used by companies to review their user experience and see how well their product is doing in the public. You can help them out and make money while doing so. It's great for both you and the companies. This does take a bit of your time, but the best part is that it is absolutely flexible. You also get to choose a task you want to do, so if you have commitment issues, then this is definitely the job for you. Start playing and earning. And at number 1, tutor. Are you good with a particular subject? Maybe you help out your siblings or friends with schoolwork. If you already do this, try turning it into a job. Tutoring is a great side hustle to have at any age, since it is almost always in demand. With tutoring, you'll be able to teach particular lessons to those who need help with them. You can easily advertise your services in your school or neighbourhood. Maybe it is easier for you to teach younger kids. Maybe it is easier for you to teach a student your own age. Whatever the case, you can come up with techniques and teaching styles that fit both you and your customers. You can even do this online. Someone may schedule Skype calls to learn from you remotely. This means you can broaden your customer base even wider and gain even more money. This is an excellent job if you like flexibility but big earnings. Thanks for watching. While you are here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.